In this video, I will show you how to stop sharing posts from Facebook to Instagram. So right here, we have in here our Instagram. So if you try to post right here for your Instagram, there are some cases that it will also be shared to Facebook. So for example, let's creating here a post that we want to actually share. For example, let's try to post this picture of a coffee and then click on that. And then once you have head over and then done all of the necessary things, you can scroll on coming here, and as you can see, the share to Facebook has been turned on. What you can do in this case is to head over and then just share it off, and then you can see that it's actually been turned on. So you can also head over to the advanced setting, and you can see in here this automatic sharing, and the Facebook one has been enabled. And make sure to disable this right here, and then once you've done that, just click on the share icon in order to post this picture that you want to post. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe, because helps reach more people. See you soon.